a lot, everyone. I could, participate or rather hear the pearls of wisdom coming in from all the partners during that chat. This was phenomenal, actually, pre and post pandemic. But I want to tell you about that how Sophos in the last 2 years. I mean, I would like to thank all the CIOs who are part of this particular webinar and the event. And at the same time, I would like to thank our precious partners who have helped us to grow in double digit in the last 2 years. And I would say that for cybersecurity as a company, Sophos has emerged out as one of the winner in the last 2 years by helping customers with the help of partners. Obviously, there is no doubt. In terms of partner program, what Sophos has modified and changed during these last 2 years, we actually announced our MSP program in the last 3 years back, but it was not getting traction. But in the last 2 years, during the pandemic time, people started to understand the value of MSP program, and they started to understand that Sophos do not charge for joining them as an MSP program. They only get billed when customer buys, and it was a phenomenal kind of traction happening right now. So people who still would like to catch up on this particular race, I think they are free to join us as partners and understand more about. So you can leave your query, you can call me or call my channel managers, starting from Nishant or Rajiv or the respective zonal managers who are there on the call. At the same time, I would like to say that people who are doing direct business, I mean, it was like a surprise for them that they had a major impact in their business. Whereas people like us, Sophos, who did 100% of their business through channel partners, were emerged out as a winner, because we believe that partner ecosystem is the best way to go and serve our customers. So when no one could reach to the customers, who are part of this audience also, I think partners, people have put their life on stake, and they reached out, they went to their data centers, and they helped them in migrating from what was on premise to cloud. And I think today I can proudly say that we as a company are able to serve 97% next generation kind of as solutions and as our customers. So thank you very much for all the support and love. I truly appreciate that. Now